So when you look at the politics in this country, you need both conservatism and liberalism, right? You cannot, I mean, a completely conservative America will be well defended, right? No one's going to mess with us, right? America first, like no one will mess with us. But what will be left unaddressed is some of the internal dynamics of this country, which is, frankly, not at the foremost of conservative thought. I mean, sort of racial disparity, economic disparity, all that stuff. Like, I mean, that's not at the foremost of the conservative agenda, and it shouldn't be. It doesn't need to be. It doesn't need to be because it's at the forefront of the liberal agenda. And God forbid you have a country that's completely run by liberals, it'll get overrun immediately by the nearest armed neighbor, right? Where liberals just aren't wired that way to be suspicious of the world. But what liberals do quite well is to try to figure out a sort of system of fairness within the group that just tries to equalize things and get everyone to sort of participate and to be valued and taken care of. Like, I mean, it's all lovely, right? I mean, that's needed also. And so every country is at its best when you have both of those dynamics going on, and they're in a kind of dynamic tension with each other, but neither completely takes over. And one of the things that breaks my heart watching this country is there's this idea on both sides, on the liberal side and on the conservative side, that the other not only is totally wrong, but it's totally immoral and shouldn't exist.
Right.
It's just not true. And this country is not going to find peace until both sides of that political equation sort of reach across and shake the other person's hand and say, look, I disagree with you on almost everything, but I'm glad you're with us. I need you. And I need you because I don't think like you do. I need you to think like you do. And until this country figures out how to do that, we're going to be in this sort of awful partisan strife that eventually will destroy us. Like, bullets are not going to take down this country. Words will. And they're going to be our words. And it just breaks my heart to see this dynamic not only going on and on, but getting worse and worse.
It does seem